Hello, today we're going to talk about the National Base E. This is lesson 13.3, page 667 from Algebra 2, Volume 2. And the National Base E, it's an irrational number, meaning the decimal places are infinite and does not show a pattern. And the value of E is 2.718. So to memorize the value of E, we can use the phrase, each phrase represent a value. So for example, 2 is 2 letters that represent 2, dot, the express is 7 letters, E is 1, remember is 8 letters, then you have 2, represent the number 2, memorize is 8, 1 letter, sentence is 8, 2 represent 2, memorize 8, this is 4 letters. So just if you want to memorize the value of E, it will help if you memorize these phrases. So we're going to touch on the graphing. We're going to take an example on graphing part. So for the graphing part, we're going to use the reference points. So we will be doing a graphing for the combined transformation and from the parent function. So the parent function is fx equal e power x. So we're going to map the transformation points from the parent to the combined transformation when x value equals 0 and x value equal 1. And we're going to show the asymptote for both of them. So for the parent function, when the x is 0, the point will be 0, 1. And when x equal 1, that will be 1, e. The asymptote for the parent function is y equals 0. Now, for the combined transformation, that will be always growth transition points. So we're gonna, when x is 0, the transition from 0.1 is gonna be h, comma, a plus k. And when x equal 1, the transition point will be from 1, comma, e to 1 plus h, comma, a, e plus k. The asymptote will be y equal k. So we're going to take a quick example on the graphing. So for the example in example 1a, page 669, so we're going to draw a graph from the combined transformation function g equal 3 multiply e power x plus 1 plus 4. So from the function, the asymptote will be y equal k, therefore y equal 4 because we have the plus 4 at the end. And so the value of k is 4. For h will be the opposite of the value of x plus 1, so will be minus 1. The initial value, which is a, which is represented front of e, the value is 3. Now we're going to map the transformation points. So the first transformation point will be h, comma, a plus k. We know the value of h is minus 1. A plus k will be 4 plus 3, that will give us 7. The second reference point will be 1 plus h, comma, a, e plus k. So we're going to use an estimated value because of the value of e. So it's going to be 0, comma, so 1 plus h will be minus 1 plus 1 is going to be 0, comma, 3e plus 4. So we know the value of e, which is 2.7182. So what we do, we multiply 3, multiply 2.7, 182 plus 4. So it's going to be close to 12.15. To draw these points, so the first point is minus 7 comma 7 minus 1 comma 7. The second point will be 0 comma 15 or 12.15. So by showing the graph, so we have the first point, as we said, this is x and this is y, so it will be minus 1 7. So we draw the asymptote, which is y equal 4. So this is the dotted line showing the value of y equal 4, and we have the x and y. So the first point is minus 1 7. So this is minus 1 7. This is the first point. The second point is 0 12.15. So that's the second point, and we draw the diagram, which is a growth diagram. So the starts the line going closer to the asymptote line and never cross it. So that's all for graphing. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Thank you.